Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 258 PS V6 3 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has an automatic gearbox. It's also a 4Motion. This Amarok is also a used 70 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the Amarok, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a quick walk around the Amarok. To the front you will notice by Xenon LED daytime running headlights. You'll also notice a nice chrome grille in the centre of the truck with a V6 badge. In the lower part of the bumper you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. Moving around the Amarok again, you will notice that it's fitted with 19-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. To both sides of the truck, you will notice chrome styling bars. It's also fitted with power folded heated mirrors. This is ideal for when you leave the truck parked on a busy road or for cold winter mornings. Now for a quick look to the back of the cab. As you can see, it comes with 3 comfortable seats. On both outer seats you will notice Isofix anchorage points for the correct child seat. Here we have a rear window. This is ideal for better vision for the driver. Now for a quick look to the back of the Amarok. As you can see, it's fitted with a chrome rear bumper with a step. It's also fitted with a tow bar, as you can see. It's also fitted with standard rear tail lights. As you'll also notice, it's got the VW badging, so it's got the Amarok V6 and 4Motion and the centre VW emblem. Moving into the load area, you will notice that it's in clean condition. You'll also notice that it's got load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. This Amarok also has heavy duty suspension. This Amarok is also fitted with a load cover, which is lockable. This is ideal for protecting your valuables from people looking in the back of the load area. As you can see, it's made by Roll and Lock. This Amarok is painted in Starlight blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. As you can see, some handy storage in the door pockets. Here we have some more handy storage across the dash. This Amarok is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in Vienna leather. Here we have an armrest for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Amarok. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I'm now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Here we have the headlight switch. To this side of the steering wheel you will notice media controls. To this side you will notice volume controls. Here we have the cruise control switch. This Amarok has covered 7,384 miles. To the centre of the dash you will notice a media screen with the 3 major radio frequencies. Next, I'd like to show you the media settings on the media system. As you can see, it's fitted with a CD player, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 SD card readers. It's also fitted with a USB and an AU export, which you'll find down here. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. This system is also fitted with App Connect, which will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called Mirrorlink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your smartphone. My favourites at the moment is Waze and one of my downloaded music apps. This system is also fitted with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use. You can pinch your fingers across the screen to make the screen larger or smaller. You can also pull the screen across to find your ideal location. If I pop the Amarok into reverse, you will notice a reverse parking camera. It's also fitted with Park Pilot technology for your front and rear parking sensors. This will help warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving down from the media screen, you will notice it's fitted with dual climate, so the passenger can have a high setting and the driver can have a low setting. You can also sync both the sides together. Here we have the direction of the heat switches. Here's the fan speed motor switch. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Moving down to the console, you will notice heated front seats for winter months. You'll also notice two 12-volt sockets and the automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Amarok Highline model. It's fitted with a 258 PS V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine. It's also an automatic and it's also 4Motion. If you'd like any more information on this used approved 70 plate Amarok, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the truck. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.